Hello everyone, welcome. I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, easy okra soup. Yes, I know I've been cooking it, but I just decided to share it again. It is a short video. Please watch till the end and help me to share. Thanks. So here is my crayfish, scotch bonnet pepper, and red bell pepper. I'm going to grind everything. Here is my okra, which I've already cut. I'm going to boil it a little bit because I want it to be slimy. So I have my palm oil. I added my onions. I'm going to fry the okra, okay? Like the frying process is what I used. So I added my pepper. I'm going to let it fry a little and then stir and cover to let cook. I added also my seasoning. That seasoning was very hard, so I just had to put it in the pot and then use my spoon to melt it. I added already my meat that I cooked, that's some more and goat's meat. So I'm going to pour the rest of the meat, stir, and then after stirring I'm going to also add the fish, that's the smoked mackerel fish. Okay, so after that, as you can see, the okra is already cooked the way I want it. So I added the okra. I'm going to stir. Look at how beautiful and good it looks. So I'm going to stir and then taste for salt. I'm going to cover to let cook, and guys, as you can see, that's it. The okra soup is ready. It is very easy to prepare and also very delicious. I love this process also a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me to share the video and follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.